How does polar weather impact shipping routes? Have you ever wondered how the extreme weather in polar regions affects shipping routes? The answer is fascinating and complex. Polar weather plays a significant role in maritime navigation, especially in the Arctic and Antarctic areas. These regions present unique challenges and opportunities for shipping. One of the most defining features of polar waters is sea ice. This ice can either completely block passage or slow down vessels significantly. Perennial ice, which is multi-year ice, can create barriers, while first-year ice can hinder movement. The thickness and extent of sea ice change with the seasons. During summer, ice retreats, opening up routes that were previously inaccessible. This seasonal change allows ships to take shorter paths, which can reduce travel distance, fuel consumption, and emissions by up to 24%. However, navigating through these icy waters requires specialized ships with reinforced hulls, which can increase operational costs. Weather conditions in polar regions are another critical factor. Freezing temperatures, strong winds, and severe storms are common. These conditions have been increasing in frequency and intensity due to climate change. For instance, sea spray icing occurs when saltwater spray freezes on ships, adding dangerous weight and increasing the risk of capsizing. Visibility can also be poor due to fog, snow, and the darkness of polar nights, complicating navigation further. The rapidly changing weather patterns and extreme waves necessitate constant monitoring and adaptive route planning to ensure safety. Climate change is also altering the polar environment, impacting nautical charts and seabed topography. Melting glaciers contribute sediment that changes underwater landscapes. This can make existing charts outdated, increasing the risk of grounding or getting stuck in shallow waters. For example, ships have become stuck in mud in remote Arctic fjords due to these changes. The lack of up-to-date hydrographic data and limited infrastructure in polar regions complicates safe navigation even more. While polar routes can shorten voyages compared to traditional shipping lanes, the harsh environment increases fuel consumption and operational costs. Ships must be designed or retrofitted for ice conditions, and crews need specialized training. Weather routing models and ice routing algorithms are essential tools to optimize routes for safety and efficiency. However, the rapidly changing polar environment requires continuous updates and verification of these models. In summary, polar weather significantly impacts shipping routes by determining when and where ships can safely travel. The presence of sea ice, extreme weather, and environmental changes influence route accessibility, safety risks, and operational costs. Despite the challenges, the retreat of sea ice is gradually creating new shipping opportunities in polar regions, but these come with increased demands for careful planning and environmental consideration.